Hey everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we'll show you how to add Bates numbering to a PDF using Tenorshare PDNob in just a few clicks. Bates numbering is a method of sequentially indexing or numbering pages or documents for identification, organization, and retrieval purposes. It is commonly used in the legal, medical, and business fields, particularly when large volumes of documents are exchanged between parties. A Bates number typically consists of a unique numeric or alphanumeric identifier, often combined with a prefix or suffix to further distinguish the document or case. In addition to adding Bates numbers, Tenorshare PDNob is a versatile software that can be used for several other PDF-related tasks. It's a one-stop solution for editing and working with documents. Let's see how to easily use Tenorshare PDNob to add Bates numbering to a PDF. After downloading and installing the software, using the link in the video description below, launch it, and you'll arrive at this interface. Click on Open PDF and use Windows Explorer to locate and open the PDF file you want to work on. As you can see, the software offers many tools to work with any type of PDF document. Simply head over to Edit and locate Bates number. Click on Add Bates number, and this interface will appear. Here you can customize the prefix, specify where the serial numbering begins, and add a suffix. You can also adjust the font type, font size, and font color. The position presets allow you to choose where you want the Bates, numbering, or label to appear on the pages. There are also margin settings to manually adjust the position of the labels. The page range setting lets you choose whether to label all pages of the document, only odd or even pages, or specify a custom page range. Once everything looks good, click on Save. As you can see, the Bates numbering has been applied to the entire document. And that's how you easily use Tenorshare PDNob to add Bates numbering to any document. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.